Yes, every living being on Earth undergoes aging. It's a natural process. Aging in every life. Every living thing, humans, animals, plants, experiences growth, maturity, and aging. Aging happens because cells in the body slowly lose their ability to repair and function as well as they once did. It's a natural part of life and cannot be avoided, only accepted. As we age, we gain wisdom, experience, and the opportunity to live meaningfully. A thoughtful way to see aging. 1. It's natural. Just as day becomes night, youth becomes adulthood, and adulthood becomes old age. 2. It teaches us. Aging helps us reflect on life, appreciate relationships, and focus on what's truly important. 3. It connects us. All forms of life share this journey, reminding us of the beauty and fragility of existence. A positive affirmation. Aging is part of life's journey. I embrace it with gratitude, patience, and wisdom, learning from every stage. Aging is a natural process, and understanding why it happens helps us accept it with awareness and care. Here's a clear explanation: why aging happens. Aging happens because of changes inside the body over time. These changes are caused by both natural processes and external factors. Here's how it works. 1. Cellular damage. Our body is made of cells that keep dividing and repairing themselves. Over time, cells get damaged due to stress, environmental factors like pollution, UV rays, and chemical reactions. The body's ability to repair this damage decreases, and damaged cells accumulate. 2. Telomere shortening. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of our DNA strands. Every time a cell divides, telomeres become shorter. Once they get too short, cells can't divide anymore and start to die or malfunction. 3. Oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules, form in the body due to normal metabolism and environmental exposure. These free radicals damage cells and tissues, contributing to aging. 4. Hormonal changes. As we age, hormone production slows down. For example, levels of growth hormone, estrogen, and testosterone decrease, which affects muscle mass, bone strength, and energy. 5. Immune system weakening. The immune system becomes less efficient with age. It's harder for the body to fight off infections and diseases. 6. Genetic and lifestyle factors. Some people age faster or slower due to genetics. Lifestyle habits like diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management also affect how quickly aging progresses. Aging is not just a weakness, it's part of the life cycle, from birth to growth, maturity, and old age. It gives us time to learn, love, and leave a legacy. Even though the body changes, the mind and spirit can grow stronger with wisdom and experience. Simple ways to support healthy aging. Eat nutritious foods rich in antioxidants. Exercise regularly to keep muscles and bones strong. Sleep well to allow your body to repair itself. Stay socially connected and mentally active. Practice patience, gratitude, and calmness in daily life.